Take a look at this 1990 Cadillac Fleetwood. Just a beautiful car. This particular color is light antelope. This is an original mile car. No accidents indicated on the Carfax, and it's a low mile car. It seems to be all original paint, interior. Just immaculate. Best of all about this car, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. We've actually sold quite a few of these in the recent past, and we've sold them with the 5.0s and the 5.7s. Obviously the 5.7 liter in this car is very desirable, especially when you get one in the 30,000 mile range. I believe it's 39,000 and some odd miles. But just take a look at the shape that the vinyl top's in, the paint up and down the side. Like I said, just a beautiful car inside and out. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, you get a little surface rust as far as on the A-arms up front, or like the axle in the back, but that's just surface rust like you'll have on any car that is this age. But look at the pans where they've been undercoated, still some undercoating on there, all original floor pans, no rust through, anything like that. Very solid car. Check out those still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call if you got any questions. 507-386-1726. But take a look at these, I call them filler panels. You see these broke out all the time. Right here, this plastic, those are still the original ones. See those crack due to age and from the car sitting out in the weather. Obviously this car is not sat out in the weather. This has the beige leather interior. Let's go ahead and open this up. I mean, you can see up and down the side of the car how nice this thing is. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Like I said, original miles, original paint, original interior. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Again, everything just looks like it would have came in 1990. No doubt about that. Look at the floor mats. They're actually in the trunk in plastic. We put them in for the photos and for this video. See the leather seats. Just your typical wear for a low mile car. Let's get around here and take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run too, and then we'll check out the miles. Remember that 5.7 liter underneath the hood. I'm sorry, I said 39,000 I believe earlier. 29,945. So just shy of 30,000 miles. I believe I misspoke and said 39 earlier. There you have it, 29,000 original miles. No engine lights on, anything like that. That's just the seatbelt light since I didn't click the seatbelt on. AC does blow cold. You can actually hear the compressor kick on and off. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video quick so I can at least get you a shot underneath the hood here too, so you see how nice and tidy that is. Alright, get you a quick shot of underneath the hood. Got her popped up. I left that AC on so you can tell the compressor turns on and off. It does blow cold. But look at how clean this is underneath there. Just what you'd expect from a 29,000 mile car. Best of all, like I said earlier, it's a 5.7 liter. It's the engine you want these. So again, give us a call. 507-386-1976. Website, uniqueclassiccars.com.